All right, Divine Family, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a reading regarding your next physical glow up, okay? So you have three piles accordingly. Yellow is pile number one, pink leaf is pile number two, green leaf is pile number three. You can choose any one pile, or you can choose any two piles, or you can watch the entire reading as guidance, all right? And I'll meet you at your reading. Thank you. All right, pile number one, those who have chosen the yellow leaf, welcome to your reading. You have got Five of Cups, Seven of Cups, Two of Swords, the Judgment card, the Magician, Ace of Wands, Three of Cups, the Hierophant, the Star card, and the Queen of Swords. Okay, what I can see for you, pile number one is initially, okay, you're not happy with your physical appearance at all. Okay, you are uh, emotionally you're not happy. Okay, you're turning back to yourself. You are a person who want all the cups to be filled. Like you feel you are lot into delusion. Okay, you feel like I should be financially also well to do. I should be have physically, I should be fit, I should be good looking as well, I should be having all the luxuries, I should have my own car, my house, and everything. You're into a lot of delusion, but life is not that way. Pile number one. Okay, it is always like you would be having good health, but there would be days you won't be having good health, but you would be having money to treat yourself. There would be days where you would be having a very stable life where you have your luxurious car, your house, but health wise you're not good. So it's always like something would be missing from your life. It won't be always picture perfect. You need to accept this thought, okay? There would be confusion regarding your glow up. Like, what should I do? Like, should I go for a diet plan? Should I go for some detox plan? Or should I work out? So you are having all those thoughts in your mind, okay? What should I do to be physically fit and to have a presentable and a good appearance? Okay, so seems like the universe is intervening in this matter of yours. Okay, universe wants to try to tell you that you are a very good manifestator. Okay, you are a magician of your life. If you, that is a very obvious thing, pile number one. Okay, if you're going to exercise daily, you're going to have go on a walk, you're going to uh, go to gym, definitely you'll be able to achieve that appearance that you will always want. Okay, so universe wants to tell you that you are a very good manifestator, so you can manifest. You are a magician of your life, so you can okay, so if you believe into this practice, you can always, start writing into present tense that okay, my weight is so like like if you want 40 kgs, 45, 50, so you can mention, oh okay, I'm very happy with myself. My appearance is very attractive. I have right now reached to 45 kilos and I want this weight to be stable, and it is stable. Start living into that dream that I am 45 kilos and I am looking very beautiful. I have that glow on my face. Every in moonlight, you can see uh, where you or you can sit in the front of mirror and write this affirmations. Okay, in present tense, you can start writing that I love myself and I am very beautiful. I always get compliments with for my looks. I'm very presentable. So write it in the present tense and that will definitely manifest. Okay, I see that is going to manifest very soon because you can see the star card, right? I see that person physically fit. Also, you are going to achieve that glow in your life. Once you start manifesting, that is going to work for you, okay? Or you can do water remedies also, like on your bottle. What you do is fill that bottle with water, keep your hand on that bottle, okay? And then just close your eyes and pray that I'm going to start losing weight as soon as I start drinking this water. And this is going to help me to reduce at least 10 kg or how much ever you want to lose. Okay. You can start saying this, start manifesting. Open the lid. Okay. Open the lid and then keep your hand on the bottle and see that, okay, once I start drinking this water, I'll be losing my weight and I will be able to reach 45 kilos and I will be having that stable weight, and every day I would be losing some kilos and I would be having a very good and attractive appearance. Okay, start practicing this water magic as well. This will also help you. Whatever suits you, okay? Whichever remedy you like, you can go for that. This will going to work for you, okay? Because there are cups card, that is why I'm giving you the water remedy as well. Otherwise, if you don't want, you can go with the mirror thing where you can write the affirmation sitting in front of the mirror. That will also work for you. Okay. Once you get that particular weight which you always wanted to, I see you becoming a very wise person in your life. I see you becoming a very straight forward, and you would be now will not have, like, spiritually also you are growing, you would be growing, and you will be having that balance in yourself. You will be able to connect to your inner self. People will come for an advice. Yeah, that is also I'm seeing this energy is also there, pile number one, where once you lose weight, people will come for an advice for you, like what you did, like how did you, and they will literally listen to you, and they also will start following the same thing to reduce their weight, which I see you becoming a very wise person. I see you giving very wise advice, very knowledgeable advice to them. And now you would be like in your life, after once you lose your weight, you would be like becoming a person who would like no drama in their life. Okay, you would be very straightforward. You want to do your duties, you want to enjoy your luxuries, you want to sit on your throne and you want to enjoy your life, okay, which very initially you wanted, right? And seven of cups, but I see it coming into your life once you are able to lose your weight. Okay, now pile number one, in order to manifest this glow up, I would like to give you one card. You can pray to this particular god in order to manifest this glow up. Okay, so let me see who what comes for you. Oh, oh, there are two cards. Wait, there are two cards. Oh no, it's Fool card. That's the human card that has come. Okay, the other one is the Indra, the devil card. Okay, so you can pray to Lord Indra. Oh, Indra is a lot of this thing. The Seven of Cups and this card, the Indra card, is most of similar card. Like Indra also wants to enjoy all the luxuries in his life. Okay, so you will need to pray to Lord Indra to help you to control on your Indriyas. You know that is called your attachments, you can say, or what. Yeah, so too much of material focus. So you need to pray to the god that please remove this materialistic needs from my life, this negative thinking, and this god will definitely help you. to remove this negative thinking, and it will definitely help you to manifest this glow up in your life. All right, pile number one. I think this would have brought some clarity to you. Thank you and have a great day. Pile number one, there is an additional spell that I would like to give you for your healing, okay, for the glow up journey, okay. So I'll be giving you some ritual that you need to perform, which I forgot to add on. So I'm putting it now, this video, okay. What you need to do is, for abundant blessing or spiritual enlightenment, burn a white candle with lavender oil during Wednesdays, okay. Place a single white rose on water and light a sage, okay? Light a incense, then take the sage bundle and pass the smoke over the smudge space. And then you need to chant, may grace be bestowed upon their spirit. And so this is by magic sealed. Okay, you need to perform this ritual on every Wednesday, pile number one, so that you are able to manifest this glow up which you always wanted. All right, thank you and have a great day. Okay, pile number two, those who have chosen the pink leaf, welcome to your reading. You have got Eight of Cups, the Moon card, the Ten of Wands, Six of Wands, Eight of Coins or Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, the Sun, Knight of Wands, Ace of Cups, Queen of Cups. Very beautiful and positive reading, pile number two. Okay, what I can see is right now you're not focusing upon your glow up. Okay, you are diverted or you are thinking about some other purpose of your life. So that could be on your work, your career, or there is something which right now needs your attention. So you are right now not much more focused on the glow up of your life. Okay, so see, moon card is the most like if it comes in the glow up reading or physical appearance, then it's the most beautiful card you can say. Where moon is the most beautiful planet, right? Where it's a planet of beauty. So you've got the sun and moon in your reading. There's sun also, there's moon also. You've got a lot of positivity, you've got a lot of beauty. You have got Ten of Pentacles where it says that not only the glow up you would be getting, but you would be getting a very happy, wealthy family life. And also, I see there is an this thing, a home, also a castle into this card. Okay, so initially, what is happening? You are busy right now. You see, though, that burden or Ten of Wands. You are busy right now pulling someone else's burden on your shoulders. Okay, you are not right now focusing on your appearance, your glow up. But very soon, see those Ten of Wands have become Six of Wands, where the burden has decreased. You have excelled in your work. Whatever situation right now you're going through, whatever the work which is you are taking up, you are going to excel into that work, which is going to bring a lot of financial prosperity in your life. I see a addition to family as well. Okay, there is a lot of attraction also. So you are going to become a very attractive person. You are going to wear a lot of vibrant colors. You are going to excel in every this thing, every situation of your life. See, universe is blessing you with that abundance. So right now, see, if you are in the process of glow up is what? Physical appearance that you always manifested or you wanted. You are working on that. See, you are working and I see you getting that positive outcomes. Universe is blessing you with not only with the appearance you manifested, but also a lot of financial stability, emotional stability, lot of peace, lot of purity, lot of knowledge, wisdom. Okay, I see this Queen of Cups is you, pile number two, where you are sitting on your throne, enjoying all the luxuries. You are emotionally satisfied with your glow up. You are very much happy in your life. You are connected to your inner self. You're enjoying the luxuries. And yes, very soon you are going to attract many eyes towards you because I see the sun card as well, right? You're going to shine bright as sun that nobody can ignore you. Like it is you're going to become a person who is so positive with not only with your appearance but also with your thought as well. You're going to shine bright, pile number two. What a beautiful reading. You are going to become like a king or a queen of your life, where not only physically you are going to look good, but mentally also there's a lot of peace, there's a lot of love, there's a lot of attraction, there's a lot of praises, there's a lot of social recognition, there's a lot of social eyes on you. Okay, so your next like glow up is really going to bring a lot of success in your life. I think you being successful also brings confidence in you. That is also part of your personality, pile number two. Okay, so I would like to give you a spell or a ritual, you can say, which will help you to manifest this glow up in your life. What you need to do is I'm giving you a recipe of beauty, okay? Take some, take 3 cups of salt, 1 tablespoon of glycerin, okay, 1 drop of jasmine oil, and then take a sage, okay? Mix well and store it in a glass jar. You can use the salt uh, with the body purification ritual. Okay, whenever you are having bath, you can use the salt, light the sage and use the salt. This will definitely help you to attain that glow which you always manifested, which you always wanted in your life, and that will help you to manifest it as early as possible. All right, pile number two, I hope this would have brought some clarity to you. Thank you and have a great day. All right, pile number three, those who have chosen the green leaf, welcome to your reading. You have got the Hanged Man, the Three of Swords, the Four of Cups, Two of Pentacles, the Hermit, Four of Swords, Wheel of Fortune, Eight of Wands, High Priestess, and the King of Cups. Okay, so what I can see, pile number three for you is right now, see this hangman. This person is stuck in his life. Okay, you are also stuck. So might be this is your the glow up. Okay, we are talking about the glow up as per our today's topic. So might be there is some stuck situation that is can be your weight, can be your mental weight or physical weight, which is stuck and you're not able to reduce it by any cost, and that is hurting you a lot. It is like, you are worried, like, why I am not able to shed off this weight. Okay, universe is trying to give you some signs which you are ignoring because it's like you're expecting, you are having high expectations from yourself, and right now there can be a situation where you are not too much also healthy, you can see, but still you have high expectations, so you are ignoring those signs. You are juggling between your mind that what should I do, whether I should start exercising, start go on a detox diet, go on a detox plan. So you are in your mind with two thoughts, okay? But what universe wants to tell you is You need to connect to your inner self, take time and spend time alone, okay? Connect with yourself, and you will, once you take the proper rest in your life, you, because you need that rest as well, because I see you juggling also. So might be you would be doing two things at a time. You want to do managing your business and managing your house, and you are managing your job and your house, your children, everything. Like, then it is becoming a bit difficult for you to give time to yourself. And that is where, that is why also a reason your weight is stuck and you're not able to shed your weight. Okay, so universe want to tell you that you need to rest, you need to spend time, you need to give yourself some time alone, sleep, have a proper sleep. You're having sleep issues also, and that is why things are not working in your favor right now. But very soon the tables are going to turn for you, because universe is going to bless you. Pile number 3, and I see a couple over here, King of Cups and High Priestess. Okay, so you are going to not only become physically fit and the person who you always manifested, but also a person of high knowledge, high vibrations, and spiritual gifts. Okay, you are going to enjoy the luxuries in your life. You are going to be emotionally stable. You are going to be emotionally happy. You are going to be self-content. You're going to be at a powerful position very soon, pile number 3, and you're going to enjoy the luxuries of your life. With that, you are going to be spiritually aligned with very high vibrations. Okay, you will be gifted with some spiritual knowledge, luxury. Okay, you would be overcoming your emotional instability that you're having, because of which you were not able to shed your weight. Okay, you will be definitely able to do so in the coming future, and you're going to become very much attractive. People would be viewing you as a very knowledgeable person who is very wise and who does not talk rubbish or does not like to talk a lot. You can be a bit introvert as well, pile number 3. Okay. So I'll give you a card or a deity to whom you can pray to manifest this glow up in your life. Okay. So for you, pile number 3, it's the star card, the Brahma card. Okay. So you can pray to Lord Brahma, who is a Lord of hope, renewal, creativity, inspiration, generosity, and most important, he is a God of healing. Okay. You can start wearing a yellow color a lot. Pile number 3, if you want to weight lose very early, you can start wearing yellow color. You can pray to Lord Brahma for your weight loss. He will definitely guide you into the correct direction, and he will help you in losing your weight. Okay, I'll give you a spell as well in order to, that is called a healing spell, or you can say a ritual which will help you to manifest this glow up in your life. Okay, what you need to do is you need to take the sea salt, okay, and rub it on your body. Okay, and then you need to chant this spell which says, Isis and your wisdom, help me reflect your image. My body is a temple to the goddess. Here I worship today with the head and hands, heart and soul. What you need to do is use the salt with a loofah sponge, scrub it on your body. Okay, and you can then see the spell every day till you get your manifested glow up. All right, pile number 3, I would hope that this would have brought some clarity to you. Thank you and have a great day.